You know how it is. It's just sometimes it says no, right, to things, and then comes back and it's like, no, this is the market. We have to, we gotta go for it. Yeah.
See? There's no space to put the faucets behind. Faucet and the soap
man, no bueno.
dispenser.
So they need to get a new sink?
Yeah, we'll send you this for
Approval.
the customer. Send it. Not approval.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Can I use the sink?
Yeah, show them
Just
the
ask
issue.
them to change the sink to the little smaller one.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, man? Well,
How you doing, Eric?
I love how you just literally just put up a slab on the wall. That's such a good idea. Like, it looks so clean on a white wall.
That's the first generation slab.
That's the one?
Yep, that's
Damn.
the first
That's
one
the mother slab?
That's the mother slab. That came to the market.
Nice.
It's like 6 years ago.
Wow.
We cut the first slab. We cut like 2 days.
Literally?
Yeah.
So, do you have, what do you call it, like leftover pieces from the first slab you ever cut?
No, I mean this. You know what? That was funny. We cut this slab. Actually, we had 3 slabs. Then we were supposed to do the job for one of the customers. This is only 1/4 of an inch. And we cut him literally 2 days. And we call the guys as, you know what, just take them. We don't need them. We don't want that business, you know. We just take it back, and then he leave the one, and then just put on the wall. That's basically what it was.
That's funny. I was gonna say, take
And then
the leftover pieces, make it a...
4 years later, we got the guys coming like, oh, listen, it's half-inch material, start cutting, and you know, we just, we don't want it. So, you know, we don't need that business.
Yeah.
And then we just turned to do the porcelain.
And now you guys are the best.
You know.
Funny how that works.
Yeah, it's
The biggest pain points become our biggest successes.
You know how it is. It's just sometimes it says no, right, to things, and then comes back and it's like, no, this is the market. We have to, we gotta go for it. Yeah.
Yeah,
You know.
now people are looking at you as an example.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, they're looking at us and they see like, what do they do that we don't do it, and you know, but it's a lot of investment. You know,
for sure.
we spend so much money to testing the slabs and to do the different slabs. I mean, to buy the different tools, and just, you know, we spend like, I would say like $1,000, probably 35%. You know, didn't work at all. You know, nobody wants to get a return back, and you know, we test them. We just throw this, you know, stuff to basically the dumpster. Broke slabs. We broke probably, I don't know, 40, 50 slabs.
Yeah.
But we were cutting, you know. First job, 2 slabs broken. Second job, 3 slabs broken. Simon will tell you, you know, we had the one job that was like, how many? 6 slabs broke?
And I wish that was on when those slabs were breaking. That you can't put value on that type of content. Can you imagine, like, now seeing how successful you guys are, but then having a rewind of like, yeah, it looks great now, but this is what we had to go through to get to all this fancy work.
Yeah,
you know,
six.
I made that same mistake. You know?
I think it was 6. Was it 6 slabs? Yeah, I believe that barbecue that we supposed to do.
6 years ago?
No, that was like 2 years ago. We were cutting it and we broke 1 slab. So keep going. 2nd slab, 3rd slab. We called the company. They says no, it can't. It's impossible.
Wow.
They brought another 3 slabs. We cut 3 and broke all of them. You know, now it's easy.
Yeah.
Now it's easy. Now and I think overall everybody's trying to improve the stuff. So
Of course.
is improving stuff and it's improving their product, and everybody else has, you know, who goes after, they have to improve the product as well. Yeah, of course. Yeah, but it's, besides that, there's a lot of quartz business and a lot of marble business, and you know, people still like marble.
Yeah.
You know, the marble will be in the every time. There's no way that you can just replace it. You know?
Funny you say that. I'm almost curious now that we're like talking about it, having like a moment. like if stone is gonna make a serious comeback at some point.
It will.
Right? Because it's so saturated with metal.
Stone will come back because the new trend is coming. It's black and gray again. And I've seen this already in the showrooms, and we've seen this what comes. It's all the industrial colors that they call the industrial look. It's coming back. So now you can put a marble or limestone on anything that looks the same.
Yep.
As the Decton or porcelain. It will come back again.
Yeah.
And the same thing is quartz. Because of the tariff now, it's a big problem for everybody. There's shortage on the quartz supply.
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
So all the marble, the white colors, it's hard to produce because they have to be produced from the high quality ingredients, and they don't have them. It's a shortage of it. So all the everybody else has a problem with it. So
right,
it's getting there.
Yeah. Interesting. For sure.
So we're looking, for more. Let's put it this way, for higher opportunities, which is doing something that people don't want to do.
Yeah.
No,
I see it.
we just
and from when he took control, I guess what looks like of all the media and stuff.
Yeah.
And you guys came onto the scene. He didn't DM you or anything. You guys came on the radar just by him doing it.
No, yeah, he does a great job. I can tell you this.
And that's one, but two, real recognizes real, sort of, right? Where I saw it and I'm like, okay, so I've been sort of in this neighborhood already for a little while. I haven't really heard of these guys. What they're putting out means they got even more, so that means they got a big body of work, which means they got a backlog of amazing projects probably, right? So now I'm getting closer, and I'm really started getting closer and seeing. I'm like, oh shit!
Yeah. So we want to be a little bit exclusive for people. We don't want to be fabricating for everybody. That's what we're going. We want to be working with the kitchen places and designers, architects, so they feel like they can get the better, the very good quality product with a great service.
Right.
And sometimes we have the customers, for example, they shop around, and we get sometimes we get phone calls from warehouse that there's a customer that looking to buy something, and supposedly they work with
Right.
we call just tell them, listen, this guy tried to shop around with somebody else. So try to protect some all the businesses.
Awesome. Okay, so we have pretty much the same model then.